This is a video chart presentation of Platmin Ltd, brought to you by allpennystocks.com. Platmin trades on the TSX under the ticker PPN. So looking at a 9-month chart, nice climb back in September from around 75 cents all the way up to $1.17. Banged its head on the 200-day moving average. Since then, pretty large retrace. Right back down on that support level, only making a slightly higher low. Two nice candles these last few days. We want to keep an eye on this for a possible double bottom. Quick look at the lower indicators. We're seeing a little bit of whipsaw action here with the MACD. But overall, we're seeing a pretty nice trend with the MACD histogram heading back towards zero. Just now breaking through, show us that we're getting another bullish cross. We want to pay attention for it to sustain this time and try and trend back towards zero. Seeing the slightest little uptrend in the MACD itself. So we're going to keep an eye on this to try and get some separation this time and follow through and not whipsaw right back down through the signal line. Nice setup with the PPO as related to the ADX. Classic reversal sort of situation. You can see back through here, it had that same look, and that's when it got the big rise. So we're going to want to pay attention to that. The PPO is down around a historic low, around -5. Now we're seeing the hook of the ADX coming back down, showing that this downtrend is possibly losing some strength. We're seeing some reversals of the positive and negative DIs. Getting a quick turn in the money flow. We're getting a little bit of separation here with the 7 from the 14 and 21. That's somewhat suspect as if it's going to want to pull back. But overall, we're going to want to see these uptrends continue. These longer terms, red and gold, the 14 and 21, see if they can push through 50. Accumulation distribution depends how you want to look at it, with if it's in a short-term downtrend or a little bit longer-term uptrend. What we want to see is it break back through that level, though, in the longer term here. We want to see this roll continue, push through, make a higher high. Nice look at the shake and money flow. Uptrend, heading back towards zero. Buying pressure starting to overcome selling pressure at this point. Nice look at the CCI coming back through -100 and heading towards zero. We want to see it break towards zero and start trading to the upper side of its mean. Similar look to the full still. A little bit of whipsaws going on, but making higher lows and now penetrating 20 again. As always, we want to see this break through 50. You can see for the last several months, hard time getting through that level. The tricks can be pretty reliable for longer term reversals. See, it's found its bottom again. Looks like we're about ready to get a bullish cross. This is the area that made the large move last time, so we're going to look and see if that history is going to repeat itself. Starting to see an uptrend once again with the RSIs. 7 just now breaking through 50. That's important. We want to see this 14 and 21 follow it and break through that 50 line. As I touched on to start this video, very nice support level established there at 77.5 cents. These candles, this black one and this white one, could be considered a bullish harami. That's been confirmed with this next update. The harami pattern is a relatively low reliability, but it is a reversal pattern nonetheless, and used in conjunction with this being a support level and a previous low, I think it should garner some attention as trying to make a move again. So first and foremost, we're going to look for it to pop through this purple line, the 20-day moving average. Hasn't broken through that level since early on in November, and it's the first real moving average of any consequence. We want to see it start trading to the upper side of the Bollinger Bands. Volume actually came back in pretty strong yesterday. 1.3 million shares traded. We are heading into the holiday weekend. There's only 2 trading days left for the new year, so I still want to see volumes be somewhat sustained. Doesn't necessarily have to reach that level, but the more volume it can get and the more buying pressure, the stronger it can blow through this 20-day, the more probable that it's going to continue to channel upward. From a PPS resistance standpoint, right there where it touched yesterday, you can see it hit a high of 86 cents. Was a resistance level right through here, a support level, and a little bit of resistance again. So we're going to look forward to try and push through 86 as the first PPS resistance. The next level of resistance, going to see a little bit here at 90 based on November, December, where it had trouble moving through it. I'd look for it to be more significant when it challenges this 50-day moving average. Pretty good support right through here back in September. In this area, November is a little bit thrown into the mix too with some PPS resistance. But that 50-day moving average is typically a big dog and hard to get through, so let's see how it reacts if it can make it up in that area. Following that will come $1. That's a common psychological barrier. You can see through here it was an area of resistance in the past, in the earlier part of this year. The 2 key areas, in my opinion, are going to be 86 and 95. If it wants to go up, same thing we talked about a lot of times. If it wants to break this first one, go up and challenge the second one, come back down. Want to see it find a new support level and continue to try and establish an upward channel, making higher lows and higher highs. The indicators are definitely giving hints that this is a possibility. This is going to try and form a double bottom. And if it does, obviously the gains are pretty significant if it can move from this area, even where it is now, to go up and challenge the old highs around $1.15. But technical analysis is meant to give you a bit of a competitive edge and help making educated decisions as to which direction a stock may go. This is one of those that's in that position right now. It looks like it may be heading north. If it wants to slip back down, obviously looking for it to hold 78. If it can't hold 78, I'd be a little bit skeptical because historic support levels just aren't that strong. In my opinion, it needs to try and make its move off of this base and try and move northward from here forward without dipping any further. As always, annotated video chart is merely my interpretation. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions upon any material found on the website and or within this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.